Hello, and welcome back to Gon Khmer Cooks. Today we're going to be making Cambodian beefsteak with my grandma. It's a similar dish to Lok Lat, which is Khmer, but the way we're cooking the beef is different, so we just call it beefsteak. Here's the list of ingredients. This is the beefsteak that we used. We're going to start by washing the lettuce and tomatoes. Start by thinly slicing the tomatoes. There should be 3 in total. Here we only show 2, but later on we add another tomato. Next, we're going to thinly slice the onions and soak them in water to reduce the flavor. If you like the strong onion flavor, you can skip this step. I know. Continue by slicing the lettuce and placing them on the plate. You can cut off the old parts of the lettuce. Okay. We scrape off the seeds of the tomatoes because it's too sour for us. It's according to taste, so leave them in if you like it. Then place them on top of the bed of lettuce in a circular shape. Adding 1 more tomato for a total of 3 tomatoes. Now scatter on the sliced onion. Yeah.
Lok Lat có cái hiệp chân đó, hiệp lại chân đó phân sạch cô cái cặp đông chiên á. Anh ấy mà dây ọt chiên đấy. Rồi vô mà cha.
Now we're going to start preparing the beef. We'll start by giving it a rinse. Then we'll cut off all the fatty parts. Create texture in the beef to allow the seasoning to get into the meat.
Why am I eating them?
Thôi bây giờ tụ sạch chứ, giờ phải lặn tới giờ phơi sạch. Đi châu chiết á.
Okay.
Lặn tới vì châu chiết.
Thinly slice the beef at an angle.
Bà nhằm bái, nhằm mũi bái, thôi nhằm mũi bái. Thế này làm tôi nhằm bái, nhằm mũi nồng păng thế. Thế là nó bà tinh sạch cô thôi nó mà đông xàm sao bắt tụi ngồi anh ấy tụi đấy bà nè thèm mùi đọp nè đông tụi nít đâm non cả bật đấy đâm cả bật đấy.
Now we'll season the beef.
Này nó bả là
Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt.
Anh ấy mà dây thơ phiểu ấy nè này.
Half a teaspoon of mushroom seasoning. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce.
Anh ấy miên ấy tịnh dương đạn ấy trăm bạch vò ấy.
And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then mix it all together.
Khổ chứ, do mà thơ với đặt tức mà lấy ăn nhanh.
We put about 3 tablespoons of this tapioca starch into here. We added in 1 cup of water. It's a very watery consistency. 1 whole garlic, minced and peeled. After the garlic browns, add in the meat. Once the meat is partially cooked, add in the tapioca starch mixture. Continue stirring until the starch thickens and the meat is cooked. Clear the center of the salad platter and pour in the beef. Sprinkle on the pepper, and that's it. This dish is really simple, and I hope you get to make it. Thanks for watching.
Rồi nhắm